When should I change my name if I marry a U.S. citizen? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. We get this question a lot. When should I change my name? Should I change my name immediately upon getting married? And it's a tricky one. A lot of people have a lot of emotional or maybe religious or cultural reasons why they want to change their last name. They might want to take the name of their spouse. And if they're in the middle of immigration proceedings, that can be tricky. My strong suggestion that I give to my clients all the time is that if you can avoid it, don't change your name until you get your citizenship. So what kind of a scenario are we talking about? These are situations where a U.S. citizen has married a foreign national. And typically this question comes up when the foreign national is inside the United States and is going to be seeking adjustment of status. Now, my strong suggestion is that you maintain the name in your passport and the name in your birth certificate all the way until you apply for citizenship. There are basically two times in your life where you can change your name for free. One is when you get married, the other is when you become a U.S. citizen. And the problem is that if you change your name halfway through, if you change your name during the green card process or right when you apply for the green card, it might screw things up later on down the line. And what do I mean by that? Well, if your old passport has one name and your green card has another name, that can be a problem. And we've seen this time and time again where people have come to me and said, Jim, I really regret changing my name. I wish I'd waited until I had my citizenship. And they sometimes even ask if there's a way they can change it back up until the time that they get their citizenship. So in other words, they change it upon getting married, then they go to court and change it back. So this isn't a really complicated question, and there will of course be times where you might want to go ahead and change your name, but the fact of the matter is that USCIS, the State Department, your home country all know you as one person. And basically that's going to be the name in your birth certificate. The USCIS, when they're creating your green cards, they're going to go off of the name on your birth certificate, or if you've legally changed it, they'll use your married name. But it's my strong suggestion, and this is just based on experience, nothing legally preventing you from changing your name. This is just some old advice from an old attorney who's been doing this for a while, that it's going to be much better if you maintain your immigration name all the way up until you get your citizenship. Then when you become a citizen, you can change your name to whatever you want. And it's much easier at that point. It's binding, it's legal. The federal government knows who you were and who you are, and there's not any confusion at these stages in between, like when you're getting your 2-year green card or your 10-year green card. So if you can avoid it, please wait to get your name changed until after you become a citizen.